What's up, everybody? I'm Coach Zach here at Criticalbench, and today I'm going to show you 7, yes, that's right, 7 different kettlebell exercises for your bicep. 7 different curls. Let's get it. First one is just a regular old kettlebell curl by the horns. So you're going to grab it by the horns, extend your arms, take a deep breath in, and then on your exhale, curl it up to your chest, nice and slow down. Just a basic kettlebell curl. Now, we can make this harder just by switching up our grip, by taking the bell and holding it this way with the weight further away from you. All right? From here, same thing, curl it up. It's a lot harder because the weight is further away. Nice and slow down. Nice and slow, controlling the negative. All right? Next up, we got a drag curl. You can do this with 1 or 2 kettlebells. You're gonna have them by your sides, palms face forward. Now, instead of curling them forward, you're gonna curl them back. So send your elbows back. Bring the bells up towards your armpits and then back down. This is just hitting your biceps in a different way. So again, up, dragging them up your body, sending your elbows back and then back down. And if you only have one, I'm working our obliques a little bit here to stabilize. That's the drag curl. Next up, we got the bottoms up curl. So you're gonna have the bell, definitely a lighter bell, and you're gonna keep it in this position the whole time. So you're gonna have it here. You can either do it as a hammer curl, where you bring it up without twisting, back down, or you can do a traditional curl where you come up, hold, squeeze, and then back down. So either the hammer curl variation or traditional. Trying to avoid this weight from falling down over your forearm. Really working your grip, working the muscles in your forearm to hold that weight in that position. Next up, we got a concentration curl. Wide stance, just let your arm dangle out in front of you. From here, take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, we're gonna curl it up, bring it up towards your chest, squeeze, nice and slow, bring it down. Deep breath in, exhale, curl it up, and then down. Squeeze. With a concentration curl, you really want to focus on the negative, the lowering part. So don't just let the weight kind of drag you down, right? I want you to come up with control and then lower with control. Next up, grab yourself a towel. We got some towel curls. So go ahead. You're going to loop the towel through the handle, nice and tight, and then bring it up. Make sure it's not a towel that's going to rip. From here, bring the ends of the towel together. Stand up nice and tall, deep breath in. On your exhale, you're gonna curl it up and then split the towel apart. Bring them together and then back down. So from here, up, split the towel apart, and then back down. Squeeze, nice and slow, back down. And the final one, this is also going to work on some mobility, is a deep squat preacher curl. Now, if you've seen some of my prior videos on hips and deep squat, if you can't sit in this position, go ahead and elevate your heels, takes the ankle mobility aspect out of it. From here, you're going to grab the kettlebell like so, with the weight, with the bell further away from you. From here, bring your elbows to the inside of your knees, just like a preacher curl. Nice and slow down. And then on your exhale, curl it up. Nice and slow down, curl it up. We're doing lots of things here. Not only are we working on our arms, but also this action of staying down in this squat and changing where the weight is gonna allow our hips to open up in different ways, different areas than you might be used to. Nice and slow, and then curl it up. Boom. 7 different curl variations with kettlebells for your biceps. All right, hope you enjoyed those exercises. Just giving you some different ways to spice up your arm day using kettlebells. But before you go, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and check out the Criticalbench kettlebell playlist in the comment pinned down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. As always, I'm Coach Zach here at Criticalbench, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.